Okay, welcome back to Keep Drifting Illegal. If you guys follow the Phony Pony, that'd be awesome. Luckily for you guys, I can show you guys how to do Rivnut inserts on the Fender Flares because I messed up. So I'll show you guys how to do it. Guys, so here's my mess up. The flare is actually supposed to be about a 1/4 inch lower. So lucky for you, I can show you guys how to do a Rivnut insert. So. Okay, what we'll need is obviously we'll need a drill, a pilot drill bit, an actual size of your flare nut, Rivnut insert, obviously a screwdriver to put them in, and a Rivnut rivet tool, whatever you want to call it, flare, the bolt that fits into your Rivnut, which by the way you need to get aluminum Rivnuts, not steel, because they're easier to work with, especially for Fenders. Alright. Pretty close. I would tell you the size, but I don't know. Again, this is for a pilot hole. You can choose whatever size you want, 1/4 inch, whatever. It's just to get the hole started. And I'll show you guys here in a second. I don't really measure anything, I just know it needs to come down. So I'm just going to come down a little bit, as far as I can. I'm going to drill a hole. You can use the center punch, I'm not going to. Pilot hole. And this is the actual hole for it to fit. Alright. Next we'll need, I want to do this. Next we'll need our Rivnut tool. The Rivnut. Spin it on there. It's really simple. Shove it in the hole and squeeze. That's all there is to it. Got our corresponding thread pitch that fits the Rivnut. We're going to screw it on here. That's what makes it so easy. You can unscrew and screw these on all day long and nothing ever bad will happen to them. Once you get one started, you can mark your holes all the way around, position your flare or whatever body panel you're putting on, and then mark the holes. You just use your drill bit for to mark your hole. Okay, there we go. There's a hole. Last step, we got to install the flare back onto the car. Alright guys, if you guys need the hardware or the flares, I'll put a link in the description below. If you guys like some more tips or like to follow the Phony Pony, please do like and subscribe, and maybe we'll find some more stuff to do.